Hello students, Ms. Slyman here, and solving these problems by clearing the fractions first. And the reason that we're only using the solve by clearing fractions first is because already I have just one fraction on both sides. So I'm going to do these first two examples by clearing the fractions first, and then I'm going to do this example. We're going to solve by cross-multiplying. Cross-multiply. So let's look at clearing the fractions first. I've got 4 and 12. Well, 4 is 4 times 1, 12 is 4 times 3. So they share a 4 and they don't share a 3, so their LCD is going to be 12. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the fraction by 12, and what I'm really doing is clearing the fractions. That means they're going to cancel. And that's the whole point of this, is to have no more fractions. So 12 times 3x minus 1 over 4, that 12 is really like 12 over 1, equals x over 12 times 12 over 1. Again, we're clearing the fractions. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 1 times x is x. And now 12 divided by 4 is 3. Always, I'm going to be working with this number and the denominator. You could multiply it out, but that doesn't clear the fraction. So 4 goes into 12 3 times. Now I'm going to multiply out. I'm going to distribute the 3 and get 9x minus 3. So make sure you distribute everywhere. I'm going to solve this like normal. So I'm going to subtract x to this side, and that's going to give me 8x minus 3 equals x minus x is 0. I'm going to add 3 to the other side, so coming up over here, I've got 8x minus 3 equals 0, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 8x equals 3. Divide both sides by 8. X equals 3 over 8. And let's check it. These are complicated to check, so again, using that store function in our calculator. So now I've got a big screen. I'm not sure how that happened, but it's great. So we had a fraction answer. That fraction answer was 8 over 3. I'm going to store that. Oops, got to get out of there. Store that as my x value. And now I'm going to test these fractions, and hopefully when I plug in, not 8 over 3, 3 over 8. Glad I went and checked that. So I went up and highlighted, hit enter, and now I'm going to fix my fraction. That should be the 8. Highlight the 8, make that a 3. Okay, now my x is 3 over 8. I'm going to put in both of these fractions, and hopefully they give me the same answer. So another fraction, 3x minus 1 over 4. We get 1 over 32. Let's try it again. Fraction, x over 12. And we get 1 over 32. So that means that our answer worked, and we have found the solution.